What do you mean I can't just throw power to the coil and jump the starter and make it run? I need all of that? Some of that? I don't know. Time will tell. Well, I decided I'd start playing with the wiring. I mean, it's an LS base engine. It's got lots of wires, though I'm running carbureted. That should take care of a few of the wires. But I do intend on making it possible to run injected, to switch it back. I'm using the original style 411 ECM. And I went and commandeered one of the other plugs out of the old the salvage truck. And that's going to have all the injector wiring in it. It's going to be up here, so I can just plug it in. Got the, put the computer, Fred, as I call it, right here in the glove box. And, yeah, I got a mess under there. But that allows me to run the wiring where the original computer wiring would have been, through this grommet down here under the heater box. Neaten up under here. I'm thinking it's going to work. I'm thinking that that computer will run this engine, even though it can't run the fuel. I think it'll run the ignition, run the transmission with the proper sensors. Got to have all the sensors in it. So we're playing, we're trying, we're learning. Got the, going to integrate it into the original harness, so it uses the original fuse panel. The ECM fuse, all that stuff is going to run what it's supposed to run. Don't have extra fuses. And we'll see how this comes out. But, yeah, that's an original harness that is just, yeah, lots of spaghetti. Good thing I don't mind that. It's time consuming, but I can get into it. Anyhow, I'll bring you back when I get a little further and maybe we find out that this is going to be all nice, neat, tidy, and then we'll find out if it works. Hey, if you've got any experience with trying to do that, run the ignition and transmission on a carbureted LS using the original type computer, let me know. Tell me, did you have to tune on it special or anything? Because, I don't know that much, and I can always learn. Hey, I'll bring you back. Well, I'm starting to make some sense out of all this. Got transmission controls getting laid out here, going to run down above the bell housing. Got things like the ignition, the injector harness. Since I'm carbureted, I'm going to put a plug in there. It's all going to be wired. Come out behind the intake there. So if and as I decide to go back to fuel injection, it's just as easy as doing that wiring to the injectors. I got a little log of what's what and where's where. So that'll neaten things up. And we still got some that don't have terminals and plugs and all that on there. So that's all right. We'll get there.